In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames in Canva. Frames are an incredibly versatile feature on Canva that allow you to create unique, visually appealing designs with ease. Whether you're designing a social media post, a presentation, or even just sprucing up your personal projects, frames can elevate the overall look by adding dimension and structure to your images. Let's get started by opening Canva. Once you're logged in and have your design open, or you're starting a new one, you'll want to head over to the Elements tab. This is where you'll find a variety of design tools, including shapes, graphics, and of course frames. The Elements tab is typically located on the left-hand menu of your design screen, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking on Elements, you'll be presented with a number of different options. Take a moment to explore these, but for today, we're focused on finding frames. So look for the search bar within the Elements tab and type in frames to specifically filter for what you need. You'll see a wide array of different frame options appear on your screen. Now let's select the frame category. Once you click on the frame category, you'll find a selection of various shapes and sizes of frames, ranging from basic rectangles and circles to more intricate designs. Browse through and decide which frame best suits your project. For instance, let's choose a simple circle frame for this example. To use it, simply drag and drop the frame onto your canvas. Now that you've successfully placed your frame, it's time to add an image. Navigate to the Uploads tab, which can also be found on that left menu. If you have a specific image in mind, make sure it's already uploaded to Canva. If not, you can upload new files by clicking the Upload button and selecting your image from your computer. Once your image is uploaded, it will appear under the Uploads tab along with any other images you've previously uploaded. Here's the fun part. To combine your image with the frame, click and drag the image from the Uploads tab right over to the frame on your canvas. Canva will automatically snap your image into place within the frame. Once there, you can adjust the scale and position of the image within the frame as needed, allowing you to perfectly align your picture for the desired effect. And there you have it. By following these few simple steps, you've successfully used frames in Canva to enhance your design. Feel free to experiment with different frame types and images to see what works best for your project. With practice, you'll find that frames are an invaluable tool in your graphic design toolkit. Remember to save your work, and when you're ready, share it with the world or your intended audience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.